Greetings, blockchain explorers! I'm Tonio, here to deliver another round of exciting updates from the Ton blockchain world. Let's explore the major strides our community has made this week. ddust.io has teamed up with OKX Wallet in a joint campaign that is making waves. OKX Wallet now prominently features ddust.io as a top TonD app, and they're celebrating this integration with a massive $50,000 giveaway in scale tokens. Big news for XRock, which is now listed on both CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. These platforms are key players in the crypto space, attracting millions of monthly users who track crypto asset prices and trends. This listing is set to propel XRock to new heights, attracting a broader audience and increasing its market presence. StormTrade is expanding its reach by partnering with Moons, a rising crypto social network on Telegram, supported by the Ton Foundation's Accelerator. This integration enhances the accessibility of mini apps and fosters greater adoption of the Ton blockchain. In market news, Toncoin has seen notable volatility, shedding 13.61% in value this past week, mirroring broader market trends. This downturn reflects the volatile nature of cryptocurrencies and emphasizes the need for investor caution. Exciting developments for liquidity farmers. The Ton Foundation has injected an additional 250,000 Ton, roughly $1.3 million, into the Ton USDT farm. This substantial boost aims to enhance liquidity and support stable rewards distribution across 3 stages, extending through August 12th. In security news, JVault faced challenges with a bug in its JVT staking contract, which was quickly addressed by the team. New safety measures include multi-stage update control and a robust bug bounty program, reinforcing security and trust within the platform. For gaming enthusiasts, Jeton is becoming a staking sensation, regularly leading the Open League with impressive TVLs and daily trading volumes. Initial staking rewards are distributed over 60 days, giving participants ample opportunity to earn. OKX is making a splash with the 22nd season of Cryptopedia, focusing on the Ton blockchain. Participants can engage with key protocols and earn a share of a $350,000 prize pool. Special attention is on ddust.io tasks, with $50,000 in scale tokens up for grabs. TonStakers is broadening its horizons by integrating token staking for major Ton ecosystem projects like Gemston and Punk directly through the TonKeeper app. This enhancement not only diversifies available staking options, but also enriches the ecosystem's liquidity. In trading news, the Notcoin Vault is now active on StormTrade, featuring lucrative APRs and rewards. Traders can earn from a high share of all trading fees and receive additional earnings in Storm token vouchers, increasing Notcoin's utility within the ecosystem. A landmark moment as Ton is now listed on Binance for spot trading, with pairs including Ton BTC and Ton USDT. This listing not only enhances Ton's liquidity, but also solidifies its position in the global market. Finally, the Ton Foundation has partnered with Cocos Studio, integrating the Cocos SDK to streamline the creation of Web3 mini games. This collaboration opens up new avenues for Web2 developers to enter the Ton ecosystem, tapping into Telegram's massive user base. Thanks for watching our Ton blockchain roundup. For more details and updates, join our Telegram channel at TonOrbital. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. See you next time.